Where has this semester gone already? Wow, we are at week 4. It seems like just yesterday we started this class. Well, maybe not. But anyway, week 4. Johnston Community College, English 112 online, fall semester 2018. Yes, so we are in the thrill of the fun of figuring out what we are doing. So last week, as a reminder, you submitted your 3 choices for topics that you wanted to pick. I will have posted by the time you watch this video, well, I don't know about that, by the time this video should be watched on the 5th of September, I will have posted which students get which topic, okay? And it'll be posted under the announcement section, and there will be an email that was sent out. So it clearly states all the students and the subjects they picked. Why is that important? Because you will be using that subject for the rest of the semester. Now that you have your subject, you get to work on something called the Annotated Bibliography. This is really our first major assignment that we're doing over the course of this semester. Now, whenever I come across a term that's like, wow, that's a lot of big words, what does that mean? That's kind of intimidating. Kind of break it down. So annotated means to take notes, okay? Just to take notes. Annotate. If you annotate something, you're taking notes on something. Bibliography is just a list of sources, really. List of books, really. Okay. So you're taking notes on a list of sources. Annotated bibliography. Okay. That's what it is. Well, how do you do it and stuff like that? Well, it's a good thing you asked. We have a few things that get to help you with this. Again, in our Norton Field Guide. And for giggles, there it is! There it is, right there, the green book. Okay, I've shown you this for a few weeks now. This is the book you're supposed to be having. Anyway. In the Norton Field Guide, there is a whole section on annotated bibliographies. Well, 3 whole pages, okay, but explain what annotated bibliography is. This is a concept that's fairly new to a lot of students, so to help you with this, I actually have created another video, which you'll watch after this one, which explains the concept of an annotated bibliography. And this really has benefited a lot of students. That kind of explains the concept of what it is and how to do it, kind of a thing. In addition, there's another video down here which will help you figure out how to do research at Johnston Community College. So you're going to be doing this online. You could actually do research using the resources from Johnston Community College, and this video shows you how to do that. All right, so what are we doing this week? What does it do? Well, the annotated bibliography, again, is a major assignment, and we're going to kind of break it down a little bit. So the directions for the annotated bibliography are right here. Okay, so if you click on this link right here, it explains what the annotated, the logistics of what you need to have to do. So basically, you have a topic. Well, let's say your topic is medical marijuana. You need to find 10 sources, and on your topic. Okay, and you need to annotate them. Well, what does that even mean? Okay, so if I were you, what I would do is I would go back to, let's go back. After you watch this video right here, the one on researching, this will explain how to do research. So I would look up your topic. If I was the student, I would look at my topic using the JCC resources on how to do research, and I would find 10 sources, 10 different sources on my topic. Okay? 10 different sources on my topic. Now, once I found the 10 different sources on my topic, then I would do is that for each source, I have to write basically some information. Okay, let's see. Write a paragraph about the article. This is an extreme. This is probably the most important assignment during the semester. The time and effort you put into this assignment will save you so much grief and so much time and so much work down the road, okay? And I explained that in the video about annotated bibliography. So really, this is the time to buckle down and nail this assignment. Nail it. Get it done. Figure it out. Do it right. Okay, you're like, I still don't know what to do. Well, again, I've shown you in the other videos, but basically you find 10 sources, and then you write an article about each one. A paragraph about each one, and this is the information you're going to use later on for other assignments. So instead of having to go, oh, I remember reading something about medical marijuana, where was that? I can't remember. Well, you're basically putting that together right here. And again, it's explained so much better in the other video. So just watch the other video, you'll get it. Okay. Now, we are practicing APA, so last week we learned about APA, so we want to make sure this is done in correct APA formatting. Alrighty? Oh, gosh, that's scary. Well, not really. So there's a few ways that I've designed to help you, so let's go back. Okay. So, if I were you, again, I found my 10 sources. I need to create an annotated bibliography assignment. There's a few things that are going to help me. Number one, under video tutorials, over here, there is formatting the annotated bibliography. This shows you, this video right here, when you click on this video, it shows you how to format an annotated bibliography in APA formatting, step by step. So you're like, oh, okay, well, actually, not only will that help you with the formatting, it will help you get a general sense of how the whole assignment will be put together. Oh, okay. In addition, under sample assignments, which is found over here, there's sample annotated bibliographies. Okay, so let's take a look. There's one. And let's go ahead and just take a look at it real quick. Download it over here. And it's loading up. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this. So this is an example of an annotated bibliography. And let me make it so it's easier to see. Okay, so there's my title page, and again, that video shows you how to set all that up. Okay, annotated bibliography, and this is their topic. Okay, and then so they have their source, and then they have their paragraph about that source. Okay, and that's one. And then there's the second one, there's the third one, there's the fourth one, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10. And notice, your sources are done in alphabetical order. That's proper. Woo! And it's all double spaced with that extra gap. Woo! This is a great example of what you do. So when you're done with your annotated bibliography, you're going to have 10 different sources with information that you're going to have written down that are going to help you find more information that you're going to use to write papers and do other assignments in this class. Okay, so that's what a completed annotated bibliography is going to look like when you're done. So again, that is found under sample assignments. So again, click on sample assignments, and you click on annotated bibliography. That shows you how to do that. And again, the video tutorial shows you a video over here with how to format the annotated bibliography, and there's other APA stuff up there. So if we go back to week 4, you're like, oh my gosh, this is going to take forever. Oh, what are we going to do this? Okay, well, we're going to break it down a little bit. So for week 4, your assignment is really to do the research to find the 10 sources, okay? And then research log 4 is actually kind of like a place we're going to start as like a stepping stool, okay? For this log, you should begin working on your annotated bibliography. Okay? For this log, you're going to post 1 entry. So your full assignment is going to be 10 entries. Okay? Meaning, an entry is a source that you found and a paragraph. So for research log 4, you're actually going to just complete the first one, and you can use that first one into your annotated bibliography assignment. This is just kind of getting you practice. I would suggest you do the full APA, everything, as if you were setting up your annotated bibliography. So when you do your research log, so this one you're definitely going to want to type it up on a document and then submit it as an attached file so it's in proper APA formatting. Okay, that's what I would do. I would strongly recommend it, because then what happens is I can look at what you've done for your research log 4, and I can say, oh, look, okay, this is a good thing. Here's some suggestions you can have. If you have any issues with APA formatting, we can catch them now, so that they won't impact you when you actually have the annotated bibliography assignment due. Okay, so for this week, all you have to do is just one source. Okay, one source, one source, one source. The full assignment is 10. Well, when does that full assignment due? That's a good question. If we go to the course schedule and we look ahead, okay, the full annotated bibliography is due on September 26th. So you have a few weeks to work on it, because, again, this is one of the biggest, most important assignments that you're going to be working on this whole entire semester. Would I wait till the very end? No, I would not wait. Okay, so get started on it now. The more you do, so again, this week we're going to do research log 4, which will help you figure that out and get you started. Then I can give you feedback, which will help you create the full thing there. Okay, so hopefully you can realize, okay, so I've got some time to do this. Plug away at it each way, Again, if you're like, I still don't know, Professor Morgan, I'm not getting this whole annotated bibliography thing. Well, probably not by yet, because why don't you understand how to do this? Well, there's a few reasons why. Number one, you haven't done the readings, probably. Number two, you haven't watched this video. Once you do the reading, and you watch this video, and you watch this video, it'll become much more clear to you. I promise. All right? I've taught this a bunch of times. This works. Okay? You just got to put faith in the system. It's going to work. All right, so that's week 4. That kind of introduces one of the biggest assignments we're doing. Again, put some effort into this. Email me with questions. I may redirect you if you have a question that I'm like, well, I really covered that in the video. It'd be easier for just you to watch the video and then me trying to explain it more in the email. I get that all the time where people will email me and say, I never watched the video, but I have a question about this. I'm like, well, watch the video because it answers it much in a better way than I can actually do it just through email. So there's that. Not that I don't care, but this is very effective. Okay, so that's it for week 4. So get started and yeah, get her done.